Over the past few years, mushrooms have become increasingly popular within the context of health. In this video, I'm going to talk about 7 types of mushrooms and their benefits. Then I'll go on to discuss ways to insert them into your diet naturally with little effort. I've brought this one up in a couple of videos already, so it should be no surprise to you that it's number 1 on this list. Lion's mane mushrooms. The primary medical benefit of the lion's mane mushroom is that it supports healthy brain function and neuron generation. A Malaysian scientific journal noted that mushrooms help induce nerve growth synthesis in nerve cells. This emphasizes the research from animal experimentation that lion's mane promotes nerve tissue growth and supports motor function. Additionally, lion's mane research in adults with mild memory problems associated with aging found that those taking lion's mane extract had better brain function compared to the control group participants who did not ingest the mushroom. The primary medicinal benefit of the reishi mushroom is that it acts as a potent immunomodulator. In short, studies have shown that if taken over time, reishi mushrooms can significantly support the immune system. One study has demonstrated that reishi can decrease symptom scale scores for men experiencing lower urinary tract symptoms. The primary medicinal benefit of Cordyceps mushrooms is that it improves lung capacity and increases energy. The Cordyceps mushroom is an incredibly energy-boosting fungi. Certain studies have shown that Cordyceps can increase the production of ATP, which is the compound that gives cells energy in rodents. This is why Cordyceps is a good mushroom supplement to take for exercise and physical performance. The primary medical benefit of the chaga mushroom is that it boosts digestion and clears/protects the skin. Chaga has been studied for its use in skin conditions and in stomach disorders. Chaga has over 200 preclinical animal and studies showing promising health benefits, including being high in antioxidants, supporting digestion, immune support, modulating inflammation, containing key antimicrobial substances, and being adaptogenic. The primary medicinal benefit of the turkey tail mushroom is that it boosts immune system function. Turkey tail improves immune system function by stimulating the cytokine production, increasing natural killer cells, and thereby giving your immune system a huge boost. The primary medicinal benefit of the Shiitake mushroom is that it supports cardiovascular health. Lintenol, a polysaccharide in the Shiitake mushrooms, has shown great promise as an immune system boosting agent. Research also discovered a compound in shiitake, iritatidine, that can help maintain cholesterol already within a healthy range. Shiitake mushrooms are great to cook with and are also loaded with B vitamins, helping them to modulate blood sugar levels in the body and support a healthy inflammation response. Lastly, and this one is for people over the age of 21, the primary medicinal benefit of the blue Meanie mushroom is that it aids creativity, improves the creation of new neural pathways, and helps keep depression at bay. Blue Meanies are well known to contain healthy, rich amounts of psilocin and psilocybin, and are therefore much more psychedelic than their less rare, easier to grow counterparts, such as strains like Golden Teacher. I have been microdosing with blue Meanie mushrooms since August 5th of this year, 2022, and I've been able to keep the depression that once plagued me for 10 years at bay. So, now that we know the benefits, what are the easiest ways to incorporate mushrooms into our diet? Hands down for me, since I don't always like the taste of mushrooms, is powdered. That can be powdered scoop into a smoothie or added to a cup of coffee, or it can be made into capsules like I showed you how to do in my previous video. The second easiest way for things like shiitake, lion's mane, or oyster mushrooms would be to simply add them to your cooking. Most mushrooms take on the taste of whatever you're cooking with. So, curry mushrooms? I think maybe. And here's a tip for lion's mane. Google search lion's mane crab cakes. You're welcome. If you know of a mushroom strain that I didn't mention today that also has helped you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. That's all for this video. Until next time, my lovelies.